What's up, Internet Marketers? It's Ike Paz from Internet Marketing Gym, and today I'm going to show you how to create a video Pinterest pin that will generate you traffic absolutely for free without a video editor or anything along those lines. Everything I'm going to show you is 100% free. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to Canva, okay, and you want to pick the Pinterest template. You can scroll up here and look for the Pinterest template. Again, this is 100% free to join Canva, and I just use the free version. You don't have to get the paid version. Just go and look for the Pinterest template and select it. Once you selected the Pinterest template, this is I already did it. I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. I'm going to create a duplicate. Let's scroll down and let's remove everything. I'm going to show you from scratch everything, how I did all of this. Okay, I went to template and I'm going to select this theme. Wait, this theme right here, down here. Where are you? This one right here. Boom. Select this theme, okay? And it has text up here. And you want to blow it up a little bit because it's kind of small. So I'm going to go to 88. Okay. And this is a video. This is a video pin, okay? So it's really cool. And again, Canva is a great tool and a free place to create these types of video pins. So I'm going to create it similar to this one. 12 free tools. I'm going to write here 12 free tools. Okay, so the font is a little bit over. So I'm going to shrink her down to 72. Boom. I'm going to bring up this little line here so that it's aesthetically pleasing towards the top. Also separating the 12 free tool part with the YouTube section here that says to dominate YouTube, right? You wanna call attention, right? Because people, the thing about Pinterest, it's what you call interruption marketing. What I mean by that is people stop when something grabs their attention. Okay, it's not like Google when they're actively searching for something, and then they see your post or your article or your advertisement. Okay, in this with Pinterest, people are scrolling down, so you want to grab their attention. Okay, really important. So you want to use powerful adjectives or powerful verbs, like to dominate is a very powerful verb. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, then you for example, 12 free tools to dominate. I'm gonna write in YouTube traffic. And I'm going to blow this up as well. Let's go to 56, see what that looks like. Let's go a little bit bigger. Let's go to 80. That's nice. Cool. I'm going to move up dominate just a little bit like that. I'm going to color YouTube traffic, make it a nice red. Red again calls attention. Very nice. I'm going to maybe make that bold, beautiful. And this image here is cool now for our standard Pinterest pin, but we want a video pin. So we're gonna go to video and try to find something, a free video. Now, if you can't find a free video you like, I recommend you go to Pixabay because they also have videos now. Go to pixabay.com and click on video and just perform a search for your niche, and I'm sure you'll find something that will suit you. Once you download it, you can just upload it. Again, all this is for free. Upload it to your Canva and just add it. But I found this little video here. This guy or this girl, I'm not sure, typing away, which fits in with the idea of people working from home, getting traffic via YouTube, right? They're working on their laptop or computer. And I'm done. That's it. I just have to go to publish click download, and that's it. You're done. Oh, make sure to when you download it, make sure it's a video and not an image. Okay, make sure it's on video. Very important. And download. Okay. Now I'm gonna send this video here. Video pin is linked to my 12 free tools, and these are actual tools that I use on a daily basis to get traffic from YouTube. Okay. Also, this is a course that I highly recommend called iPassive. Now, you don't have to get this, but this course, iPassive, has done a lot for me in the past couple of months on how to use the YouTube algorithm to get me the traffic I need. Okay, and most of these tools, if they're not free, I have free alternatives to them. Most of them are free, and I highly recommend you grab them. You can get them below if you're watching this video. And I hope you liked this video Pinterest creation tutorial. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll be happy to help. This is like Pause saying, talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.